Mastering English Grammar, Possessive Pronouns Unveiled. Hello language explorers! Today, we're delving into a fundamental part of English grammar, the world of possessive pronouns. This exciting area of grammar can truly add finesse to your English language usage, especially in day-to-day conversations. So, buckle up as we delve deep into this fascinating topic. Possessive pronouns are those we use to indicate ownership or possession. They refer to something owned by the speaker or someone else. Some examples include my, your, his, her, its, our, their, and whose. But wait! Today, we're specifically looking at the standalone version of these pronouns, such as mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. While my, your, his, her, our, and their are used before nouns, possessive pronouns like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs stand alone. They replace the object of the sentence, not the subject. For example, instead of saying, "This is my book," you can say, "This is mine." Here, mine is replacing my book, indicating that the book belongs to the speaker. This usage helps avoid repetition and makes the language more interesting and concise. There are a few things to remember about possessive pronouns. 1. Possessive pronouns always stand alone and do not need a noun following them. 2. They agree with the noun they replace, not with the subject of the sentence. That is, they match the thing owned, not the owner. 3. There is no apostrophe in possessive pronouns. This is a common mistake, but remember, its is the possessive form, not its, which is a contraction of it is or it has. We cannot forget about whose. It's a possessive pronoun, too. It's used in questions and relative clauses to indicate possession. For example, whose book is this? Or, the man whose car is parked outside is looking for you. And that's a wrap on our exploration of possessive pronouns. The more you use these pronouns, the more natural they will feel in your English language conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, make sure you integrate these pronouns into your everyday English. We hope this video was enlightening and helpful for you. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.